San Juan Mayor Francis Zamora's everyday plugs for his unica, hija have paid off. Thanks to the politico's efforts and his daughter's determination, Amanda made the cut to enter the Pinoy Big Brother house. Amanda was chosen from community housemate selection, where one has to get the most views from the public. Amanda made it to the top 3. She won the selection with 71.8 million views. According to her mother, Carrie, it has always been Amanda's dream to join PBB ever since she was 13 years old.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.